If you already have crazy day of school runs, work, and dinner, manual fulfillment is one more task that you don't need. One missed fulfill click can mean a chargeback or a bad review. In the next few minutes, I'll remove that risk. I'll switch on auto fulfill on Shopify and auto submit in Printify, step by step. When a customer pays, your order starts production automatically and tracking emails goes out without you touching it. Hi, I'm Diana. I help beginners, especially busy mom, build simple online income with Shopify and Printify. Today, we'll make your store hands up after payment. The order is captured, order sent to Printify, customer gets tracking, and you get your time back. We'll turn on three things: payment capture, auto fulfill, and Printify auto submit. First and first, make sure Shopify and Printify are connected. In Printify, click on Manage Store and your Shopify store should say Connected. If not, click on Add New Store, choose Shopify and follow the steps. And back in Shopify, open Apps and confirm that Printify Apps is installed and signed in. If not, you can also search it right here on Shopify Apps, install it and sign into your Printify account. So now we need Shopify to capture payment automatically. That is what tells the system this is a paid order. So now go to Settings, click on Payments. Under Payment Provider, find Payment Caption. Choose Automatic and then click on Save. If you prefer manual caption for some reason, that is okay, but auto fulfillment won't start until payment is captured. For hands off, I use automatic. So next, you want to tell Shopify to auto fulfill items right after payment. So click on Checkout, scroll to Order Processing. Under After an order has been paid, turn on Automatically Fulfill the Order line items. Also turn on Notify Customer of their shipment so they get the tracking emails. Then you want to click on Save. Now let's make Printify start production without you. In Printify, open Settings, find Order, turn on Automatically Submit Orders, set it to immediate or a short delay you like. I do 1 hour. Look for order routing. I keep routing on, so if one provider is out of stock, Printify can switch to another. If you want full control, you can turn routing off, but you have to watch your stock closely. Next, open the wallet and then payments, and then add your payments method. You can add your card or you can top up your balance. Printify needs this to charge the cost to make and the shipping when an order hits production. No card on file means no automation. In Shopify, your customer gets order confirmation when they buy. When Printify ships, Shopify sends the shipping confirmation email. Just make sure that the shipping emails are enabled. We already turned that on, right? Remember the notify customers of their shipment. We did that a moment ago, okay? So make sure that everything is running smoothly. You need to test the system. Here's what you should do. Make a big discount of maybe 79% off, or just edit your price to maybe $2, then go to your checkout page and pay for the product. In Shopify's order, you should see paid right away. Then open Printify, the order should appear as submitted or in production. When you say that, you are done. Your store is hands off. But what I do advise is that in the first week, you need to monitor your dashboard. You want to make sure that you see paid on Shopify, and on Printify, you want to make sure you see submitted or in production. The tracking number comes back to Shopify, and Shopify emailed that tracking number to the customer. After that, you can relax because the system is doing the busy work. That's it. We turn on automatic payment capture, auto fulfill on Shopify, and auto submit in Printify. Now, when a customer pays, production starts immediately and tracking emails goes out without you touching anything. Next, watch my shipping rate setup for Shopify and Printify so your checkout is clean and your profit is saved. I will link it on screen and down below this video. If this video helped, please like this video so more beginners can find it, and comment hands off if you want my complete automation checklist. See you in the next one.